Hello and welcome to my channel. I will be featuring songs of my idol composer, Msgr Rudy Villanueva, the icon of Cebuano liturgical music, right here in
Mga huni ninyo.
Psalm 23 is a song prayer written by the great psalmist himself, David, the shepherd. And it is a prayer which portrays God as a good shepherd, feeding and leading his flock. It is known that the shepherd is to know each sheep by name. Thus, when God is given the analogy of a shepherd, he is not only a protector but also the caretaker. In this episode, allow me to sing Psalm 23, wonderfully made into song by Msgr Rudy Villanueva, entitled Akong Magbalantay, in his songbook Salterio Cebuano. And you can also join me in singing this song if you know it. But before that, don't forget to click the like button, hit subscribe, and smash the beautiful notification bell that you see on your screen.
Wala na'y magmakulang pa kanako sa lunang sipsipanan, iya kong gidala sa tubig na malinaw, gihumpay tingkalag sa matang nga dalan, iya kong ipalakat, matinod anon siya sa iyang saan. Upisan mo tahapon ang landong sa kamatayon, wa ako'y kahadlukan, kay anaa siya. Sa kanunay, iya kong gibusog, taliwala sa akong mga kaaway. Buhong sa panalangin, sa adlaw nga tanan, magpuyo ako sa balay sa Ginoo, sa kahangturan. Magpuyo ako sa balay sa Ginoo, sa
If you like this song, share this video to your friends so that they can also jam with us in our next episodes of
Mga huni